Evaluate the expression 4 to the negative 1 power plus 3 to the negative 1 power. Well, let's start by taking care of these negative 1's in the exponent. 4 to the negative 1 is equivalent to 1 over 4 to the positive 1. And 3 to the negative 1 is equivalent to 1 over 3 to the positive 1. So this becomes a 1/4 plus 1/3. And let's go ahead and combine these by getting a common denominator of 12. 4 goes into 12 3 times, and 3 times 1 is 3. 3 goes into 12 4 times, and 4 times 1 is 4. Now adding the numerators, we get a result of 7/12. So after evaluating the expression 4 to the negative 1 plus 3 to the negative 1, we get a form of 7/12.